ChatGPT is officially entering healthcare, but not in the way you might expect. Today, OpenAI announced ChatGPT Health, a dedicated, privacy-first experience designed to bring your personal health information together with ChatGPT's intelligence, so you can feel more informed, prepared, and confident navigating your health. And this move didn't come out of nowhere. Health is already one of the most common reasons people use ChatGPT. Every single week, hundreds of millions of people ask health and wellness questions, from understanding lab results to managing stress, diet, sleep, and exercise. ChatGPT Health builds on that behavior, but does it in a much more secure, structured, and intentional way. So what is ChatGPT Health? At its core, it's a dedicated health space inside ChatGPT where you can securely connect medical records and wellness apps and have conversations grounded in your actual health data, not just generic advice. That means ChatGPT can help you understand recent test results, prepare questions before a doctor's appointment, make sense of trends from wearables, compare insurance options, think through diet and workout routines based on your own data, all while keeping your health information protected. And that protection is a big deal. Health data is deeply personal. So ChatGPT Health was built as a separate, isolated experience with extra layers of privacy and security. Health conversations live in their own space. They have separate memory. They're encrypted. And importantly, conversations in health are not used to train OpenAI's foundation models. If you start a health-related conversation in regular ChatGPT, you'll even be prompted to move into health for those added protections. Now, OpenAI is very clear about one thing. ChatGPT Health does not diagnose or replace doctors. It's designed to support, not replace, medical care. Think of it as a tool to help you understand patterns over time, not just moments of illness, so you can show up to medical conversations better prepared and more informed. One of the biggest problems in healthcare today is fragmentation. Your health data lives across portals, PDFs, apps, wearables, lab systems, and doctor notes, and you're often left to stitch it together yourself. ChatGPT Health aims to fix that. You can securely connect medical records from US providers, Apple Health wellness apps like Function and MyFitnessPal. To make this work safely, OpenAI partners with the largest and most secure network for live health data in the US. You're always in control. You can disconnect records or apps at any time, and access is immediately revoked. And apps don't get automatic access. Every connection requires explicit permission, minimal data collection, and additional security review. Privacy and control are built in from the start. You can also strengthen your account with multi-factor authentication, and you can view or delete health memories at any time. But here's what makes this especially interesting. ChatGPT Health wasn't built in isolation. Over the last 2 years, OpenAI has worked with more than 260 physicians across 60 countries and dozens of specialties. These clinicians have reviewed and evaluated model outputs over 600,000 times, helping shape how the system responds to health questions. That feedback directly influenced how clearly information is explained, when the model should encourage follow-up with a clinician, how to avoid oversimplification, how to prioritize safety in sensitive moments. This physician-led approach is embedded directly into the model powering health. OpenAI even created a new evaluation system called Health Bench, built with physician-written rubrics, focusing on real clinical judgment, not exam-style trivia. The result? Support that helps with real-world tasks like explaining lab results in plain language, preparing for appointments, interpreting wearable data, summarizing care instructions, all while keeping clinicians firmly in the loop. As for availability, ChatGPT Health is rolling out gradually. Access will begin with a small group of early users, including free, Go, Plus, and Pro plans outside the EU, Switzerland, and the UK. Web and iOS support are coming first, with broader expansion planned in the weeks ahead. So this isn't just ChatGPT adding a new feature, it's ChatGPT taking a serious step into one of the most personal, complex, and important parts of our lives, health, with privacy, safety, and trust at the center. And this feels less like a chatbot update and more like the beginning of AI-assisted health navigation done right.